Why is nobody talking about John Ejike Menubolisa? He was the first man that had steez in this country, popularly known as Joneb or Arusi Okuzo. He was a billionaire with a fascinating and somehow controversial story. Born into a wealthy family, Joneb's ambition and business acumen propelled him to become one of the most influential Igbo elites in 1980s and 1990s. As a member of the exclusive People's Club of Nigeria, Joneb rubbed shoulder with multi-millionaires, many of whom had questionable sources of income. His own businesses spanning hotels, travel agencies and other ventures generated immense wealth, which he spent lavishly. Joneb's extravagant lifestyle was marked with expensive cars. His influence extended beyond business. He was a close friend of prominent figures like the late Eze-Ego of Ihiala and Chief Maurice Ibekwe of Okwele Holdings. However, Joneb's most notable feat was buying his way into the throne of Okuzo, a town in Anambra State. After the death of King Aganama IV, Joneb seized the opportunity to become the king, using his vast wealth to buy his way into the position. For 10 years, Joneb ruled as Igwe Ibilibe Ogada and Arusi Okuzo, meaning the biggest the town has ever seen and the oracle of the whole kingdom of Okuzo. Respectively, his legacy was marked by controversy, but also by the praise of prominent musicians like Chief Dr. Oliver Dikokwe and Ozomena Nsube Ayaka. But Joneb's life was cut short when he passed away at the age of 44, leaving behind a young family unprepared to continue his legacy. Untimely, his throne was taken away by the family he had initially taken it away from. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this great man.